This is Mary from Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is Tips and Techniques Tuesday. I want to show you a great embossing folder. This is called the Tin Tile Dynamic Textured Embossing Folder. I don't know if you can see it, but I'll show you what it does. I've had some go through. This is on gold, and this is on silver. And this is, I had some, the red foil left. It's a dynamic impressions folder. And what you can do is after you run it through, and I'll show you, I got a couple things here. You just take your early espresso, your black, your Memento black, and you're just going to distress this antique it a little. And it looks almost like what you would see in some of those old-time houses or bars, restaurants. Okay? I don't know if you can see that really well. But I'll show you how to do it because it's a little bit different. Remember, it's a dynamic textured, so you're only going to need one piece of bread on your sandwich. So I've tried this already. I know I need just the one. I need one plate, and I will tell you, if you want the best, the Sizzix and Stampin' Up logo is in the front, okay? So you're going to put your piece of foil or your paper or whatever, foil paper, and you're going to put it in there. And remember, all the time when you use these dynamic, the fold goes in first. So I'm going to put that in, put my piece of bread on top, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll it, and I'm just going to roll it back just to make sure, okay? And there you have, look at that. Now you could cut those out individually. You can put it on your card just like that. It's a 6x6, so you can have a 6x6 piece of paper in there. And again, all you want to do is you want to take a darker color. I've got early espresso here, and you're just going to sponge it with either a sponge dauber to antique it. Now, I would really appreciate if you enjoy my videos that you purchase from me, and that's at marytroutner.stampinup.net, and just hit the Shop Now button. And there you go. I don't have the pewter yet, but I think it'd be really cool with the pewter. So, follow me on YouTube, and all the information to get this great embossing folder is down below. Thanks for visiting, and happy stamping. Bye-bye.